Buying a used car in Vancouver is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can buy a used car in Vancouver. So I'm just going to give you some of the tips that will help you buying a used car in Vancouver. So these are the tips. First of all, you need to select what kind of vehicle you want. You need to specify that what kind of vehicle you want. You want a sedan, SUV, or a truck. So it totally depends upon you. After that, you need to set a budget. After that, you need to start looking for the vehicle. Whenever you find the right vehicle, you just need to test drive the car, know the history, if it is damaged or if it is accidented or not. After that, you can get a pre-purchase inspection. After getting the inspection, you can check the VINs. VINs have a details about specific car like year, make, model, and where it was made. After that, you can ask questions about the car, physically present there and ask about the car. And after that, try to negotiate, try to bargain the price. After that, you will easily be able to pay the guy and buy the car. And after that, you will easily be able to get the insurance as well. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.